reminded of it. Maybe you're trying to go and sign in on another device, or you're trying to go and make a change on your account here, and so you need it. We'll guide you through some different ways you can go about this, so make sure it's this full guide. So for the first method, we are going to come out of the Roblox app, like so. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and locate the password manager on your phone. This does vary on phone to phone, but in some you can go and open up the settings and you'll then be able to go and search for passwords. On an iPhone, for example, there's a dedicated passwords app. So you can come to utilities folder on the second page and there it is. You can always go and drag down though, and you can then go and find your passwords. Then we can go and open it up. And in here, we can go and search to make it really easy to go and find the password. So I'll press search and then go and type in Roblox. And then I can go and find the account and I can tap on it. I can tap on the password to go and reveal it. And I can then go and see it. I've checked it. Alternatively, if this option doesn't work for you, open up a web browser like so, and you want to come to google.com. If you played Roblox within Google Chrome or on an Android device, there's a chance the password will be saved within your Google account. So you can press your profile icon in the top right and press manage your Google account. Wait for this to load, press security and sign in. And then on here, you can go and scroll all the way down and find password manager. Use this search button in the top right if needed to go and find this. Then we can go and press on search and we'll go and type in Roblox like so. Here it is. We can then tap on it. I'll need to verify that it's me in order to see the passwords. Scroll through, see if it's been saved. And then as you can see, we've got our username and password. You can press the I to the right of password to then go and reveal it, and you'll then go and see it. So hopefully you managed to go and find it. If you haven't, then what you want to do is come and return to Roblox. As a last resort on Roblox, you can press more in the bottom right. Then you want to scroll down here and you need to go and find settings. You can press account info. Here you'll go and see if you've got a phone number or email. Make sure you have access to one of these. And what you can then do is you can come and close out of this and you can then go and press more again in the bottom right, scroll down and you can then press log out again, press sign in at the bottom. And what you can do is go and enter in your username, email or phone, press next like so, and you can press forgot your password. And then what you can do is go and enter in the email or phone and you can then go and reset it through this. So this can be done as a last resort.